Welcome back. So in the last video we went through how to set up links between pages using the A or anchor tag. I also asked you to set up an about HTML page and a projects HTML page, with each page having links to each other page. The three pages should look as follows. Please feel free to pause the video if needed to make sure your pages look the same. I have included links to my solution to these pages in the description if you get stuck. So now we have a very basic 3-page website, and if you have the code set up correctly, you should be able to click between the pages. As in, clicking on the home link should take you to index.html, clicking on the about link should take you to about.html, and clicking on the project link should take you to project.html. If you're having trouble with this, do leave me a comment and I'll help as best I can. Now that is hopefully all set up, if we go back to index.html, which is our home page, let's add some more HTML tags to the page. So our page is split into 3 sections. We have the links in the header and the P tag in the main section of the document. We also have a footer section, but this is empty at the moment. This does not look very pretty at the moment. It's not obvious that the links are in the header, and it's not obvious that the P tag is in the main section of the page. However, this will become more obvious when we start to add styling such as colour and padding very soon. For now though, let's add some more common HTML tags to the main section of our document. The first tag we will add is a H tag. H tags are used to add content titles to the page. There are a total of 6 different sizes of H tags, H1 being the largest and H6 being the smallest. Let's add these in, like this. If we now run without debugging, we can see what this looks like. So we can see that we have our H tags now displaying from large to small. What else might we want to add to our HTML document? How about a list of items? There are a couple of tags for doing this. One is called the UL tag and represents an unordered list, and it looks like this. Between the UL or unordered list tag, you should add a further tag to represent each item called an li tag that looks like this. We then put our text in between the start and end tag. Again, run without debugging or refresh the browser to see what this looks like. We can see that we now have a list of bulleted items. However, rather than bullets, we might also want to use numbers. This is done with an OL tag, and it's almost identical to the unordered list tag, just with OL rather than UL. If we add that and then refresh the browser, we can see that an ordered list with numbers is displayed rather than bullets. Note that the OL tag also has an attribute called start that allows us to define the starting number for our ordered list, like this. So, you should now be getting an understanding of the common tags used to write text content to a HTML page. Looking at our home page at the moment though, it's very bland. It needs colour, padding and positioning. Do you remember that in the first video I said that HTML acts as merely the skeleton or bare bones of the page? You might now be able to see what I mean. It's very bland without styling. So then, in the next video, I will introduce you to CSS and we can start adding styling to the page. For now though, how about having a play around with some of the HTML tags we have covered? See you in the next video. Bye for now.